4:45 right now, sitting in the 30s pretty much everywhere in southern Wisconsin. Alexis.
That's right. I mean, this weekend we saw temperatures at or even below freezing across southern Wisconsin. Today, not very different. So patchy frost likely going to form across the region. So if you're heading out the door this morning, you might want to give yourself just a couple of extra minutes to allow for that to defrost. As we're at 34 in Madison, 36 in Janesville, 32 in Watertown, 30 in Lone Rock and Boscobel. As we go through the day, though, once the sun comes up, temperatures are really going to pick up. By 8 a.m., we'll be in the mid 40s, 61 by noon, 64 your high temperature for Earth Day today, which is Monday, April 22nd. Lots of sunshine when the day starts, but we're going to end with more cloud cover. It's also going to become breezy today. Winds out of the south-southwest at about 30 miles an hour. Taking a look at your climatology for Earth Day, since it is our holiday and it has been so since 1970. The hottest we've ever seen, 94 degrees, the coldest, -19, the wettest and the snowiest up there as well. Nothing like that for today. Just a nice, pretty average day here for us. The average being 60 degrees for Earth Day here. We'll be in the mid 60s. Maybe a little bit of rain could be picked up this evening. Let's talk about that. So clear skies this morning. So once the sun rises, we're going to see a lot of it today. One thing you'll notice, though, is we're tracking our next rain system. It's off to our northwest, but it's not really carrying a lot of rain right now over the Dakotas. And you can actually see the precipitation chances that we have for your area right here if you go ahead and click that QR code that takes you to our 27 Storm Track weather app. Future Track shows a few showers are going to be possible later on this evening. So maybe after that evening commute, light rain showers would not last very long. Monday is cloudier and breezier. Then we're fairly dry. I think we're dry tonight and into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, when the cold front passes over us, showers will be possible. I think the best chance being tomorrow afternoon and evening. A few thunderstorms might be heard, but we're not expecting severe weather at this time. Then high pressure sits in. Will be sunny and cooler on Wednesday. By Thursday, a bit warmer before more rain chances into Friday. For rainfall totals, not looking at a big system here, likely less than 1/4 of an inch across the area, but a much better chance to see those higher rainfall totals as we head towards the end of the week. So we're in the 60s through Tuesday, the 50s on Wednesday, back to 60 on Thursday. Rain chances increase and the chance for thunderstorms increases as we head towards Friday and into the weekend with highs in the 70s.